Before you sign that contract, remember, a 12-month staffing agreement can become very expensive if you don't ask the right questions first. 12 months is a long commitment. Don't make the mistake of treating a long-term staffing agreement like a simple, one-off supplier purchase. The contract might look simple, but the real costs and obligations are often hidden in the fine print. Watch out for hidden fees, locked-in obligations, and unexpected penalty clauses. To protect yourself, you need to focus on 3 critical areas before signing: flexibility, total cost, and performance standards. Let's start with the first question. Flexibility. How much real freedom do you have within this agreement? Business needs change rapidly. Ensure your contract has clear exit clauses, defined amendment rights, and a transparent understanding of penalty exposure if you need to leave early. What happens if your demand drops? Verify if there are minimum volume clauses, reduction penalties for scaling down, and what your timeline is for reducing headcount. Conversely, what if you need more workers? Ensure your agreement includes surge capacity, clear rate guarantees, and defined response times to keep your operations moving. Always check the notice period. Missing a 30, 60, or 90-day window can unintentionally lock you into another full cycle of the contract. Watch out for auto-renewal clauses. Always diarize key dates, and ensure any decision to renew or exit is confirmed clearly in writing. Use this flexibility checklist to confirm your agreement supports your business needs, from reducing or increasing staff to adjusting hours and terminating the contract when necessary. First, understand that the headline hourly rate is just the start. You must also account for agency fees, potential overtime, holiday pay, and any VAT or additional charges. Ask for a full rate breakdown. A transparent agency will explain everything, from the base pay to their own margin and any extra levies, so request a written rate card before committing. Are there extra fees? Always ask about hidden charges like one-off registration, recruitment fees per candidate, or costs for replacements, cancellations, and administration. How is overtime handled? If your business runs 24/7, ensure you know the exact trigger points and multipliers, as overtime can significantly inflate your standard hourly rate. Don't forget bank holidays. Clarify rates beforehand to avoid surprises when they suddenly double mid-contract. Make sure these specific terms are locked in your written agreement. What if a worker isn't the right fit? Ask about replacement costs. Agencies that offer free replacements as standard often signal greater confidence in their candidate quality. Always compare total costs, not just the headline rate. An agency with a low rate might end up being your most expensive option once all fees are included. Never sign what you can't calculate. Request a worked example of a sample invoice, run your own numbers based on your actual patterns, and ensure everything is documented in the contract. Accountability matters. You should measure your agency's performance through key metrics like fill rate, worker attendance, retention, response time, and replacement speed. Finally, focus on the fill rate. A rate of 95% or above is a strong benchmark. Always ask for historical data rather than accepting a simple promise. Choose a partner that provides transparent pricing, measurable performance, and contractual accountability. They should stand behind their work and provide data to prove it. Let's put it all together. This video will guide you through evaluating staffing agencies and negotiating contracts that truly protect your business operations. How quickly can you replace a no-show? A worker absence shouldn't leave you exposed. Always ask about their guaranteed response times and their process for on-call deployments. Filling a vacancy is only step 1. The worker must perform. Look for agencies that provide formal performance scorecards, covering skills, productivity, reliability, safety, and teamwork. Don't rely on verbal promises. Get it in writing. Your service level agreement should define response times, fill rates, attendance thresholds, and the escalation process. Know exactly who to contact when problems arise. Establish a clear path from the worker on shift to your supervisor, account manager, and finally, the operations director. Demand structured reporting. Weekly reports should cover attendance and fill rates, while monthly reports should detail your performance against SLA targets and billing reconciliation. Read your contract like a business owner. Look beyond the hourly rate to understand the full relationship, focusing on flexibility, total costs, and performance accountability. Watch for red flags: long lock-in periods without exit clauses, hidden fees, unclear notice periods, or an agency that refuses to commit to performance metrics. The good contract test asks, is it flexible, transparent, and accountable? A strong agreement protects your business and motivates the agency to deliver. Before you sign, ask these 3 questions. Can I exit if needed? What are the true costs? And how will performance be measured? Demand clear, written answers.